A windy one for all, a warm one for some. Plenty going on this weekend, all courtesy of an area of low pressure which met Erin. The Irish Weather Service have named Storm Kathleen, sitting out down to the southwest but approaching the UK during Friday. Notice the isobars really squeezing together on that southern flank. The Republic of Ireland will see the strongest, most disruptive winds from the storm system. That's why Met Éireann have named it, but it is still going to be very windy, unusually windy for the time of year across the UK, particularly so in these western areas. And because it's coming up from the south, tucked in here in the warm sector is some very warm air. So we will see temperatures ticking up for at least the start of the weekend, especially so in parts of eastern England. First up, though, we do have these weather fronts to contend with, which will be bringing more rain, a very soggy start to the weekend across Scotland, some heavy rain marching its way northwards. Then we'll see another band of rain, which won't be quite as distinctive, but it will still bring some showery rain to Northern Ireland, then crossing through Scotland, and for some across parts of England and Wales. But I suspect much of the day for England and Wales will probably just be dry and bright, but fairly blustery. The strongest winds will be in the west, closest to that storm system. We have a Met Office yellow warning in place. Gusts quite widely of 50 miles an hour, 60 to 70 miles an hour on some coast. That is likely to cause some travel disruption, particularly to ferries, but also potentially at airports and on the train system. And some large waves will be an extra danger around the coast. So if you are travelling on Saturday, many people do allow extra time for your journey, may well want to check before you head off. The other thing we need to talk about those temperatures, because as we saw earlier, bringing up some warm air. So particularly in eastern England with some sunshine, we are likely to get over 20 Celsius for the first time this year. 21, 22 is possible across parts of East Anglia. Further west, it'll be turning cooler probably as we go through the afternoon, because that's a cold front which is pushing away the warmer air as we head through into Sunday. Still, all to do with Kathleen, that's still dominating our weather patterns. It is introducing cooler air, but it's still not especially cold. And notice still on Sunday, the isobars may not be as close, but they're still pretty close. So it is going to be another blustery day on Sunday, another gusty one. The closer you are to that low pressure, the more showers you're likely to see. So a pretty wet day in western Scotland. But elsewhere, we'll see bands of showers, making for potentially a bit of a wet day through parts of Wales up to northwest England if you just get shower after shower. But again, some areas, particularly East Anglia in the southeast, probably not seeing too many showers at all. Decent chance that it stays dry here on Sunday as well. So a blustery, gusty Sunday with sunny spells and a few showers coming and going. Still on the mild side, it will be cooler than Saturday, but still particularly in the south and east, temperatures slightly above average for the time of year. But of course, you will have that tempered somewhat by those blustery winds. So a lively weekend of weather. Do keep up to date with all the Met Office weather warnings through our app or our website. And of course, best way to keep up to date is to hit subscribe on YouTube.